Hello, good day, my dear friend. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here, that's the Lesu PC30 commercial small excavator 1 to 14 scale. So now already I put fine contour and control curve for the valve operation. Also, I have added one sound system to it and two tiny but powerful speaker here. So you can see that's the receiver and also soundboard and speaker all here. So now let's operate to see the effect, how it sounds like and working for the hydraulic digging. So light now I can control same as connected to the soundboard. So can switch on the light, switch off. Also rear warning light originally from factory have control. Switching different warning light, different flashing. Okay, let's see. Start the sound, horn. Engine started. So normally track driven is rubber track, no sound there. Only hydraulic and rotation have the engine sound. So rotation sound. Blade. Hydraulic, also all engine hydraulic sound. Forward arm, slowly speed up. Bucket. Swing. Let's do the combination digging. So slowly rising big arm, you can see the speed up. Slowly drop. Speed up. That's for easier control. That's how you can control this one now. Very smoothly. Also see the power now only mix start the pump here. So you can push it up. Forward arm also same time pushing very easily. Blade, if you supporting it directly, it's rising slowly. If you want more power, directly start the pump, idle speed for more power. Because mixed pump is half the load, yeah. Now at digging mode, it's left track and the right track separate. Spin it. But I can switch it to driver mode. Now driver mode, it would be left stick control driver and the steering. So more easier. At this time, you also can start moving the big arm for balancing bucket. Switching back to digging mode, then you will have the normal digging and driving back. Check how it's moving. fastly.